Alrighty, so now I'm going to go through the Amazon ratings and reviews for, well, unfortunately, I love this product, but I could not find it. They have their own Amazon store. I even went to their website, but this actually has been discontinued. But there are comparable items that I was able to find, so I've linked those in the description box below for the ab roller and for the balance board. And I will go through those ratings with you right now. So for this guy here, I found a really great set that has little kind of bars, like push-up bars, and then also some resistance bands that you can add to this, because this also has resistance bands that you can hook underneath here, and then you can kind of do a little bit more of an intense stretch and workout. I primarily use this to stretch out my arms and work out my arms, but it's also great for working out your abs. And right now, this one is on sale. It's normally $39.99. It's 36% off, only $25.47, and it comes with a couple different things. It comes with pads that you can roll on, so you can basically, it's not quite, it doesn't have as wide of a wheel, but it does have the bars, and it has nice little pads that you can place down so that you don't, I guess, get any kind of marks on your floor. And this has a ton of ratings. It has 15,277 ratings, and they're 4.6 stars out of 5. So definitely a ton of reviews, and of the over 15,000 reviews, 72% of them are 5 stars, 17% of them are 4 stars, 7% are 3 stars, 2% are 2 stars, and only 2% are 1 star. So let's see what the 1 stars are all about. So this one says missing parts. So that sounds like a manufacturing issue. The handles were missing. That could have happened, I think, in various points of the whole process. I know I sell stuff on Amazon, so I think sometimes if things get returned, maybe people might not notice it and it gets shipped out again or something like that. But that just sounds like kind of like a random circumstance there. And it says use roller straps that go from your feet to the handlebars, a little over 1 month and one snapped. So that again sounds like maybe a manufacturing issue. It says the ab roller straps broke after using the ab roller for a little more than a month. Strap just snapped. And would like to have them send me new straps. So hopefully that was able to get resolved. But from the looks of it, it sounds like just a few are like manufacturing issues for the lower reviews. But like I said, out of almost 16,000 reviews, there's only 2% that have a 1 star rating. And 72% have 5 stars, 17% have 4 stars. The top positive reviews include, for the price, I thought it was going to break quickly, but surprisingly it holds me very well, and it's so easy to use. It also comes with a workout sheet, so that's great. And then, what else? Top critical reviews, it says push-up bars broke, ab roller is great, except the push-up bars, the black pieces are really weak and not stable. I tried doing push-ups and the black pieces were not stable, so like I said, the kit that I have doesn't have push-up bars. This was just, I was mainly looking for something with the roller, but I think for the price, it seems like a really good deal if you ask me. And for the 5-star reviews, let's see what some people have to say. This person says unbreakable. For the price, I thought it was going to break quick, but surprisingly it holds me very well and it's so easy to use. It also comes with a workout sheet, so that's great. Another person says, definitely recommend, great product for the price. Son is happy. The cheater straps are a game changer. They make this deal so much better. That ab wheel looks easy, but it's not. The resistance straps hooked around the heels and the wheel handle give a nice elastic effect, so it is easier to get back to rest position. Think of it like training wheels on a bike. Coworker loved it. I'm a big person and don't know much about exercising. My coworker I got it for. Secret Santa loves working out, but didn't have anything for at home. I went on a limb and got this. Apparently I made a good call because he really enjoys it, and he says it's so useful for when he doesn't feel like leaving the house. Plus it's not expensive, which is rare to find in workout equipment. And then another 5-star review says, overall perfect kit for the price. Pads for the knees are really good and soft, so I guess that's what the pads are for. And that's great because that's another product that I recommend that I have in my treasure chest of tools and devices is knee pads. Margie, heart, very strong and sturdy along the mat that I purchased. I love it. You can really feel it working on your back. Another person says, I got exactly what I paid for. Good set for the price. This set has a lot in it for a pretty good price. The ab roller can be used in conjunction with resistance bands to assist beginners that might not be strong enough to use the ab roller by itself. You can definitely perform multiple exercises with each piece. So that is kind of an overview of one of the best ones I could find, similar to this one because I couldn't find this one on Amazon or their website. I think they actually discontinued it, which is a shame because I love it, but then again, there are some comparable products. So I've linked those in the description box below for you. And then I also was able to find top-rated Rev balance boards. So these come in multiple colors. You've got green, gray, or blue, and it basically is similar to this, except it's actually a little bit better. It has kind of like a long cylinder, kind of like roller ball almost. It looks almost like a foam roller, and then it's got little guards on each side. So as you get better at balancing, you basically can adjust it to your level.